Happy new week and welcome back to my channel for another week of CVS deals video. This is the second week of this ad cycle and thank you all for joining me once again. Thanks for all the support and the love you guys show me. If you're new here, I would like to welcome you. Thanks for being here and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share, and let's go find some deals. My first deal is on 4.6-ounce Kids Crest toothpaste. They are part of buy 2 get 4 bag. Pick up 2, priced at $3.69 each. Both will total $7.38. Pay that and get 4 bag, making them just $3.38 or $1.69 each. If you prefer the Kids Burt's Beats toothpaste, they are part of this deal, and if your store have it, cause mine is wiped out, pick up 2, priced at $4.79 each, and they will total $9.58. Pay that and get 4 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1.50 back on each. That means you get back $3 from Ibotta, making them just $2.58 for $1.29 each. If you need the Kellogg Special K cereal, they are not giving back any extra care box, but they are on sale for $1.99, and Ibotta is giving back 50 cents, making it just $1.49. Halls cough drops are on sale for buy one get one half off, and when you buy 2, you get $2 back. Pick up 2, price at $3.59, and with the buy one get one half off, the second one will be $1.80. Both will total $5.39. We have a $1 digital coupon that will drop it down to $4.39 and you get 2 back, making them just $2.39 or $1.20 each. The next deal I have is spend 30 get 10 back on participating vitamins or nutrition, and I have 2 options for this deal. For the first option, pick up the Centrum Women Multi Gummies at $13.49 and Centrum Men Multi Gummies at $16.49. Both will total $29.98, and that's within the 98% rule for the spend 30. We don't have any coupon for these 2 products, so you pay the $29.98 and you get 10 back. If you use Swagbox, submit your receipt for $4 back, and there is another rebate for $10 Visa reward card for spending $25, and that's with the Helion. I'll put the name on the screen. After the $4 back and the $10 Visa card and your $10 extra care box, these 2 will end up costing just $5.98 or $2.99 each. And the second option I have is to pick up the Ollie Sleep tablet priced at $11.79 and 2 Nature Bounty gummies on sale for buy one get one free and priced at $17.99. These 3 will total $29.78, which is also within the 98% rule for the spend 30. We have a 3 off 2 Nature Bounty coupon in our app, which will drop it down to $26.78 and you get 10 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $3 back on the Ollie Sleep tablet, making them just $13.78 or $4.60 each. This week, CVS brand vitamins are on sale for buy one get one free, no extra care box back. Pick up 2 250mg vitamin C's priced at $4.69. You pay for one and the second one will be free. Pay the $4.69, then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1.50 back on each. That means you get back $3 from Ibotta, making them just $1.69 or 85 cents each. The next deal I have will be on the Natural Vitality Calm Magnesium Supplements. They on sale for buy one get one half off, and when you buy 2, you get $10 back. Pick up 2 of the 4 ounce, priced at $14.99, and with the buy one get one half off, the second one will be $7.50. Both will total $22.49. We have a $4 coupon in our app. I don't have the 6 off 2 paper coupon, but if you have it, that will double dip. Using just the coupon we have in our app, it will drop it down to $18.49 and you get 10 back, making them just $8.49 or $4.25 each. My next deal is spend 10 get 3 back, and that includes the CVS lotion and the ointment. Depending on what your store have, you can pick up 4 of the lotions priced at $2.79, but my store only have 2, so pick up 2 and pick up 1 of the Helen ointment priced at $6.29. These 3 will total $11.87. Pay that and get $3 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta. For the lotion, you get back $1 on each one, and for the ointment, you get back $2. That means you're getting back $4 from Ibotta, which will make them just $4.87 or $1.62 each. And if you have the 3 of 10 CVS lotion CRT, you can use it with this deal, and the CRT will drop you down to $8.87 and you get 3 back. Submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1 back on each lotion and $2 back on the ointment. These 3 will end up costing just $1.87 or 62 cents each. Another easy deal you can pick up this week is the 11-ounce JR Watkins hand soap. They're on the deal of buy one get 2 back and they are priced at $6.49. Pick up one, pay $6.49 and get $2 back, making it just $4.49 only. And if you don't mind paying out of pocket and you have percentage of CRT, you can use it with this deal. My next deal is on Maybelline Cosmetics. They on buy 2 get $6 back. Pick up one Maybelline Baby Lips priced at $4.79 and one single eyeshadow priced at $4.79. These 2 will total $9.58. We have a $3 coupon that will attach to the single eyeshadow. That will drop it down to $6.58 and you get 6 back, making it just 58 cents or 29 cents each. My next deal is spend 10 get 4 back on Peach Slices Acne Care. Pick up 230 patches spot dots priced at $4.99 each. That will total $9.98 and that's within the 98% rule for spend 10. Just make sure your store follows the 98% rule. That way you get your extra care box back. Pay the $9.98 and get 4 back, making them just $5.98 or $2.99 each. Another good filler item we have this week will be on the Royal Beauty Facial Sheet Mask. They're on the deal of buy one get $2 back and they are priced at $3.99. Pick up one, pay $3.99 and get $2 back, making it just $1.99. The next Royal deal I have is on the Miracle Patch for the 8 count. They're on the deal of buy one get 4 back and they are priced at $12.99. Pay $12.99 and get $4 back, making it just $8.99. Suave deodorants or hair care are on sale for buy one get one half off, and when you buy 2, you get $2 back. Pick up 2 Suave deodorants priced at $3.49, and with the buy one get one half off, the second one will be $1.75. Both will total $5.24. Pay that and get $2 back, making them just $3.24 or $1.62 each. My next deal is buy 2 get $3 back, and Dove deodorant is included in this deal. They are priced at $5.99. Pick up 2. Both will total $11.98. Check your Unilever email and see if you have a 2 off 2 Dove coupon. That will drop it down to $9.98 and you get $3 back, making them just $6.98 or $3.49 each. The next deal I have is buy 2 get $3 back, and this deal last week I shared it with the Gillette foam, but this week I have it with the Gillette Satin Care. They on sale for buy one get one half off and they are priced at $5.19. Pick up 2, and with the buy one get one half off, the second one will be $2.60. Both will total $7.79. Pay that and get 3 back, making them just $4.79 or $2.40 each. The next deal is buy 2 get $4 back on raw sugar products. There are so many ways you can do this deal. You can do the hand soap or the body wash, but if you need the kids product, you can pick up one of the kids bubble baths priced at $5.59 and one kids shampoo plus conditioner priced at $5.59. Both will total $11.18. Pay that and get 7 back, making them just $7.18 or $3.59 each. The next deal I have is spend 20 get 10 back on Shea Moisture Hair Care. Pick up 2 kids 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner priced at $12.49 each, and both will total $24.98. Use the 6 off 2 coupon we have in our app to drop it down to $18.98 and you get 10 back, making them just $8.98 or $4.49 each. Another way you can do this deal is to pick up 2 Stronghold Styling Gel priced at $10.49 each, and both will total $20.98. Use the same 6 off 2 coupon to drop it down to $14.98 and you get 10 back, making them just $4.98 or $2.49 each. I found the women bathrobe on clearance for $4.99, originally priced at $19.99. If your store is not tagged, you can ask the cashier to scan it for you, or you can check the red box. Hopefully you can get some if you need them. My next deal is spend 15 get 3 bag on Lysol Airwick or finished products. Pick up the Airwick starter kit on sale for $11.99 and one Lysol laundry sanitizer on sale for $6.99. These two will total $18.98. We have a 6 off coupon for the Airwick in our app and a $1.50 off Lysol digital coupon. That will take off $7.50 and drop it down to $11.48, and you get 3 back, making them just $8.48 or $4.24 each. If you use the chloralin bleach, they're on sale for $3.99 and Ibotta is giving back $1 and it's only attaching to the tail gallon, making it just $2.99. My next deal is on Suavitel. They're on sale for buy one get one half off, and they are part of the buy two get $2 bag. Pick up two, price at $3.59, and with the buy one get one half off, the second one will be $1.80. Both will total $5.39. Pay that and get $2 back, making them just $3.39 or $1.70 each. The 36-ounce all-free and clear detergents are on sale for $4.99, and when you buy two, you get $3 back. Pick up two. Both will total $9.98. We had a $1.50 coupon that expired on Saturday. If you have the $1 off tier pad coupon, use two. That will take off $2 and drop it down to $7.98, and you get 3 back, making them $4.98 or $2.49 each. If you need Palmolive dish soap or the Ajax dish liquid, they're on sale for $2.79, no extra care box bag, but we have a $1 digital coupon that will make them just $1.79. The last deal I have in this video will be on the Scott paper products. They're on sale for $8.99, and when you buy two, you get $5 back. My store only have just this one left, but I will explain how this deal will work. Pick it up and pick up one Scott paper towel. Both will total $17.98. We have a $1 coupon for the bath tissue, and we have a $1 coupon for the paper towel. That will take off $2 and drop it down to $15.98, and you get 5 back, making them just $10.98 or $5.49 each. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching. Thanks for all your support, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.